First one of the day on the ultralight. Raise her up a little. Woo, monster bass. All right. Show the camera.
Got it.
All right, this right here is Doing USA beating Outdoor Neighbors at the moment.
At the moment.
First one. Well, Seth and I are out here today on Buncombe Creek Lake. Looks like we're the only ones out here. Beautiful morning. We've caught one fish. Seth is working a topwater what is it?
Whopper plopper.
Whopper plopper. I always want to say a wobble plopper. And I've got some little spin baits. But it's really a beautiful morning. The lake is still, the wind hasn't picked up. We're watching a bunch of fish working topwater, and we're gonna see what we can do today. Get a picture of Seth. I'm just gonna have some clips, right? See if it, I'm gonna see if it gets one, and then I'm gonna put it up right now. Right. One more cast, and then I'm gonna put it up there. Make it a good one.
Backlash.
Is it backlash?
Yeah.
Again? Maybe you should have brought 3 poles.
What do you mean again?
Well, you remember last time you backlashed all your poles.
I do. That wasn't this lake.
Oh, it wasn't this lake? Okay.
This lake. Got it.
Now let's see if we can get that other one.
Doesn't look like anything's there.
Is it
Looks like a skirt.
it's just a skirt?
That's what it looks like. Yeah, it's not a skirt. Backwards.
I'm capitulating. Man, that's deep. It's just a big canyon they dammed up. Just don't hit my lens. Hey, you messing with my thing? All right, you ready to turn my beetle spin back over to me?
It wasn't no good. See that? That's accuracy right there.
Yeah, it was right next to that log. A real gentle release. Wait a second. I know he's biting you, but you're okay. All right, I want you to do a real easy, gentle release. Seth got his first fish of the day, and oh, he's so happy.
forgot what it
Now he said he didn't care, he was ready to still go home.
I forgot what it looked like.
He forgot what fish looked like, he said.
No, it felt like.
He thought they looked like trees. Oh, nice one right there. Burn. That's the biggest one now. He tied me and he's got the biggest. And he's afraid.
No, I don't want to get it into the.
If you'll just work your right hand down to the lure and then hold the top of the lure, the head of the lure, and he'll flop, but he can't, the hook can't get in you. The head of the lure, the little, there you go. Now then, you've got control. Now grab him. Right there. Burn. That's the biggest one now. He tied me and he's got the biggest. And he's afraid.
No, I don't want to get it into the.
If you'll just work your right hand down to the lure and then hold the top of the lure, the head of the lure, and he'll flop, but he can't, the hook can't get in you. The head of the lure, the little, there you go. Now then, you've got control. Now grab him.
Huh.
Now,
Caught him.
he's get over that fear of one of these days.
Dead.
That's a good one, Seth. I like it.
Gosh dang it. Quit flopping.
Oh, he's definitely going to stay now. But it's got string in its mouth. Hold up, let's see that little fish. Oh, he's gonna pull out the scales.
Yeah.
He's definitely got the biggest one of the day, but now he's gonna prove it. Let's see what he's got here. If he can hang it.
This fish is.
I better turn off the trolling motor. We're gonna run into the. We're gonna run into the. Sure.
176. 182.
Are you sure? It might go up a little more.
No, it's 182.
182, 176, 182. Hey, let's do a gentle release. Oh, that bass is. That's not how you do a gentle release, Dad.
Yeah, don't let those fish at you or in the water.
Now, he's getting over that fear of him one of these days. That's a good one, Seth. I like it.
Gosh dang it. Quit flopping.
Oh, he's definitely going to stay now. It's got string in his mouth. Hold up, let's see that little fish. Oh, he's gonna pull out the scales.
Yeah.
He's definitely got the biggest one of the day, but now he's gonna prove it. Let's see what he's got here. If he can hang it.
This fish is.
I better turn off the trolling motor. We're gonna run into the. We're gonna run into the. Sure.
176. 182.
You sure? It might go up a little more.
No, it's 182.
182, 176, 182. Hey, let's do a gentle release. Oh, that bass is. That's not how you do a gentle release, Dad.
Yeah, don't let those fish at you or in the water.
Go back to your home, little fishy. Good job, Seth the Rooster.
Got a fish.
Caught the first one didn't count. We caught two. We tied. I think he's got the biggest now, and I've got the prettiest.
No, you don't, guys.
Oh wait. That's only for.
That's when you just accidentally run it over with the truck.
It's pointing at the boat. Oh.
Yes, it got off.
2-2 still.
Yes.
Oh, should have filmed it myself. All right, guys, so we've been over here today, and Seth has caught the biggest. We've tied on the number of fish. We've both caught 2.
I caught the last.
You caught the last. He caught the biggest. I caught the first 2. He caught the last 2.
And I caught a 182.
He caught what?
A 1 pound and 80 ounce.
1.8 pounds. But we are heading back. Now this is a city lake, so we have a trolling motor. But I'm gonna put it in high gear. Woohoo! We're going fast. No, we're I'm sure Mom is saying, I see you boys on the city lake over there. When are you coming home? So we thought we better get our tail in gear because somebody's going to the water park. He's trying his best to catch one so he can be up on me, but he's got the biggest. We've both got bass. No one's up on the most variety. Oh, he's just trolling with me. Ah, I see. Oh, little 30-pound Minn Kota 5-speed little trolling motor is not bad for a little 12-foot aluminum craft. We've tried top water, and the thing that we've caught the fish on are these little beetle spins, and we've done better on those than anything. For whatever reason, the fishing just hasn't been that good today. We would thought it would have been. We've been waiting all week to come out here and do a little bit more footage, but it's beautiful, beautiful over here. As you can see, the rocks. We're the only ones that I can see even on the lake. So it's Friday morning. Everybody's either working or they knew something we didn't, because we sure didn't catch anything. This little pond is about 110, 120 acres. It's a city lake for a water source for Kingston, Oklahoma. And we've come over here a few times in the past and gotten some pretty good video. Seth, he's been wanting some more video for his channel. Today we're doing a little collaboration. It's me with the Doing USA and Seth with Outdoor Neighbors. I told him, I said, a bad day fishing is always better than a good day at work, or any day at work. He didn't do what?
You make money working.
You make money working. Well, that's true. So you can buy more fishing lures.
Is it on 3?
Huh?
Is it on 3?
That's all the way up. All the way, baby. Yeah, we're going to have to come over here, Seth, in the evening and fish that other side over there when the sun's, because that's the west side. We need to go over there and fish that in the evening sometime. Get her all put away. Here you go, hold this and I'll start putting mine away. Just keep it straight like that right there. You don't want to go too high because then, I mean you can, but that's just the bird's eye view more. Turn so we don't hit the shore. Lower it down some, Seth. Yeah, right there. You know, this water looked clear earlier. I still see them getting on top water.
I know.
We just never did catch anything on top water. Big old crane taking out across there. He's getting videoed. I'll hang on to it.
So how does this thing know how to cut the pole out?
Because it's directly under those two lenses that are facing forward and backwards. It's just, that's a blind spot for it. I'm going to go right under that tree for effect. There's not a big log in there. Bunch of trees in this pond.
So we ain't catch nothing in that cove.
I can't believe we didn't either. Where my lens cap is. Oh, it's in my other pocket. Got it. That's not it, is it?
That's it.
That is?
Yep.
Kept looking for that other area to go. Oh, what you got? Don't turn it off yet.
Usually the water's like, it stops like right in here somewhere.
The water does what?
The water normally stops like right here.
scoot on in there. I'll walk up there and get the truck. All right. Oh, stand up.
I got it.
You got it? All right. Well, we've had a good day fishing, just not a great day catching. This is what I've got to back down through, load the boat up.
A little bit more. Okay.